When working on surfaces in IC, there are a few editing options available from the right mouse button click on Map. Firstly, you can resize the surface directly in the map. Once the resize editing mode is activated, single mouse button click to extend the surface over the entire current map view. Alternatively, simply draw the area of interest, and the surface will be resized with the same surface properties applied. Secondly, when working on structural or thickness surfaces in IC, there is an additional editing tool that allows you to manually modify your surface by adding user-defined data points value. In this example, I'm going to edit this surface by adding data points over the white areas that caused by missing well data. Right mouse button click, select Edit to activate the surface editing mode. The cursor will show a plus sign, left click and manually enter a user-defined data points value in the window prompt. Alternatively, select this option to interactively pick the point value from cursor. Left click on the surface, and the value will be reflected here. Left click and select the Rebuild Grid to update the surface with the user-defined points. Enable the Auto Rebuild Grid to see the changes as you add more data points. The same steps are applied if you wish to continue editing the structural or thickness surfaces with a user-defined data point value from cursor, and your surface will be updated simultaneously. You can undo the changes by removing the individual or all of the user-defined data points. The surface will be regenerated again based on the available data values.